What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, family. Today I got 5 stocks that need to be on your radar for tomorrow. So family, if you've been loving these videos, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, get this video to 1,000 likes, and also hit that subscribe button to turn my post notifications as always to make sure you're notified every time I post, and make sure to join the Discord to get into the money tomorrow. First thing in the morning, guys, join the Discord. It's gonna be the first link in the description, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, family, so the first stock we got today is ticker symbol CYCUN. Family, in this video I'm going to be giving a lot of lessons, so listen up. Okay, class is going to be in session. Ticker symbol CYCU. This is Cycurion Inc. This one sits at 337 a share and is down 72% in one day. Last week, we've been uncovering a new strategy on this channel where I dive in to these D-SPACs that have been dropping 70 to 80% and sometimes even 90%. So far, this strategy has been working very well, and I look forward to rinse and repeating this strategy once again. You could see, guys, on the week on this chart, this one is down 83% in the past week, and on the 1 month chart, okay, you're gonna see it's down 70% in the past month. It went from $10 all the way, guys, take a look at this, to $50, and now we're sitting at 337. Okay, so this stock has been essentially been shorted all the way to the floor, but no fear, because Discord's been eating. Okay, we caught this one on the dip around the 315 to 320 area. Okay, so Discord's been eating, guys. Make sure you join the Discord. First link in the description. You're gonna get the teachings as well as my alerts. Okay, don't miss that, guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol PTPI. Okay, we have Petros Pharmaceuticals. This one, okay, this ticker as well as 3 other tickers this morning had dropped an offering. This one, however, was a direct offering at 24 cents a share. This one sits right now at 13 cents 85 with some change, and it's down 52% in one day. Guys, on the Discord, we grabbed this one around this dip here at 12.80. Okay, we rode this one near 14 cents, and this has been going crazy for us. So guys, also let me know down below if you made some money today and how did it go. What stock did you make some money on? Because I know it's been very slow today. So the first lesson of this video is, if the market is being slow, okay, adapt to the condition. That doesn't mean you just go in and trade very fast. No, family, that's when you go ahead and adapt, right? Trade slower, right? Pick quality over quantity. That way you keep on getting consistent with all your trades, right? That's what it's about. Sometimes we play attack, but we need to also up our defense up. So that's what we did today. Okay, I researched about probably 30 stocks today, but we ended up trading 2 of them. Does that make sense, family? Because when the market's acting slow, right, a lot of stocks, 98%, maybe not even 98%, 99.9% of stocks will not move. So you gotta narrow it down and 5 stocks that go ahead and make that move, family. Does that make sense right there? That's the #1 lesson I have for today. So for PTPI, if it dips down below 10 to 20% after the day the offering goes ahead and close, which should be later this week, I'm gonna be watching it again. Okay, we can rinse and repeat these stocks like my other stocks. All right, so next up, guys, we got ticker symbol SPY. Pay attention to this because it's gonna be crucial for tomorrow. Look at how we traded today. We ran it all the way up to 612 in the pre-market. We got slammed down to 609, and the whole day was a chop fest, guys. So make sure you pay attention to SPY, because that's going to be absolutely crucial throughout the whole day. That's going to tell you, how do you adapt, right? Do I go slow, or are we trading fast pace, right? Sometimes it's good to slow down like today. So make sure you're always watching SPY, especially if you're trading, guys. This is gonna be the main indicator on how your trades play out, okay? As well as the speed that you go ahead and trade in, okay? Take a look at this. Once again, just sideways action, choppy, guys. We don't like choppy market conditions. So that tells us, once again, to go ahead and slow down. Not everything has to be traded. Wait for execution, then go ahead and make the trade. Take a look at this. And then we just went ahead and pumped all the way back to normal, right? So what do you expect from here, right? You can't expect anything, family. That's why you just have to go ahead and slow down. So for tomorrow, watch if we break 612 again. If we break 612, we can go back to 613, okay? So that's going to be a key level tomorrow. Unless we go ahead and break down 609, we're looking for the downside on SPY, all right? So let me know if that makes sense down below in the comments. SPY, once again, is a great indicator for the market. So everywhere, we went ahead and slowed down. That's the whole theme of this video, guys. Slow down, don't chase. Next up, guys, we got to talk about ticker symbol GRAB. This one absolutely went on fire today, up 10%. And this is one of those international stocks that's been on many of these hedge funds radar, many of these bank radar. Okay, they've been slamming this down with the price target. I need you guys to watch out for this one if this one goes back into the $4 areas. Okay, so that's going to be crucial for tomorrow. A lot of people over the weekend, all right, were hyped up about this stock, family. But once again, we don't go ahead and chase. Don't expect too much if you see another downgrade on this stock by everyone missing out, all right? Next up, we got ticker symbol SOBR. Now, this stock had ran up all the way 28% in one day. And then during the end of the day, you guys can see it got slammed down to near $1 area. So what am I going to be looking for with ticker symbol SOBR? Well, I'll be looking for a dip, okay? Setting limit orders at $1, 90 cents, 80 cents, right? Slowly adding into my position. That way we can go ahead and play slow and controlled. That's what we like given these choppy market conditions. Once again, family, I'm going over lessons in these videos. So if you guys like these lessons, hit that like button. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol TSLA. Now this one, guys, once again, look at this. It's a whole chop fest. No movement whatsoever. So for those who like to call and puts, right? For those who like to call and puts, this is not a great environment to step into when you get these choppy market conditions, because what happens is theta ends up eating all the contracts, right? Time decay is going to go on because the stock's not moving. So unless you're playing the downside, right? Try to avoid touching the options for now, right? When market conditions are more favorable, you can always hop back in. Once again, patience is going to be the key. Be disciplined, guys. Be disciplined. I know it's fun and all and exciting to jump in on a trade first thing in the morning, but sometimes you just got to slow down, okay? It's better to play defense, right? Don't lose just because you want to hop in, right? Be patient so you don't lose the money and end up making more money being consistent. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol LGMK. Now, this is a new one. This also had an offering. So something to watch into tomorrow. This was previously 59 cents, dropped all the way down to 30 cents. So once again, another offering stock. These have been hot as of recently. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol NVDA. Take a look at this. Up 0.41% today, down 0.19% in the after hours. One thing, if you guys know how to play options on a choppy day, right? You can do what's called put credit spreads. You can take a look at the whole option chain, all right? Let me know if you guys want me to show that to you. I might as well just show you guys that right now. So we can go ahead and hit options. This is where, okay? This is where you go ahead, either play the straddle, right? You could play straddle. Take a look at this. There's a long calendar spread and there's a long put calendar spread. Now you can go ahead and start building the strategies, and this is where you make your iron condor. So if you want to go ahead and trap your stock, or say the stock is going to be at a certain price, right? This is where you start learning iron condors. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video on iron condors. The option strategy for beginner video is coming out soon, but you can always do different option strategies, but that's only if you know the market's been choppy. All right, this strategy has always been good on SPY. Yet again, it's not really good on individual stocks. So moreover, if you think, right, if you think that SPY is going to go down, right, it's not going to stay at 612, instead of buying the put option, right, in order to play theta, you can go ahead and do a call credit spread, right, betting downwards. So you would make money if the stock doesn't move, right? If it doesn't close above 613, you would be in the money. that's another advanced strategy, right? It's definitely not for beginners. So I got to go ahead and make that into another video, family. But next up, we got ticker symbol AMZN. So this one has been tanking ever since the earnings. All right, so be on the lookout for Amazon. This one seemed to be pumping into the after hours, so I would keep a watch if it wants to go ahead and break back 228. That's gonna be a key level for tomorrow. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol AMD. This one up 1% today. Once again, choppy action. You're barely gonna see this move at all, right? Some may say these markets are boring, but that's what comes in the market, okay, family? So once again, you gotta go ahead, slow down a bit, be patient, and enjoy the process, all right? It's gonna work out in the end, right? We're gonna enjoy the journey here, right? So 1% today. Take a look at the week, up 4% in the past week. We gotta go ahead and shift our momentum and lookings into other stocks than AMD right now because of the fact that this has been absolutely choppy. Next up, we got ticker symbol AAPL. This one, however, oops, I did not mean to go in the chart. Take a look at this. You're gonna see it drop 242, down 1%, and go back up. A V-shaped recovery. Now, this is a very bullish pattern. So don't ignore Apple going in tomorrow, right? We can go ahead and play the upside. If this one breaks, let's say 246, okay? If this one breaks 246, I'm gonna be looking to the upside to that 250 level because Apple, take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this, family. Apple's upside, right? From here all the way here, that's a nearly $3 move, right? That shows buyers are stepping in at lows. So watch for the money flow to continue back into Apple. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol META. I got to talk about Meta because this is its first red day in nearly a month, right? Meta has this amazing 22, 23 day streak, just straight green, right? And with that is going to come eventually, right? A red day. So we got that red day down almost 3% in that day. We also had that recovery coming in. So definitely a key level to watch out is going to be the 708 level. So watch this level for tomorrow. That's going to be absolutely crucial. If it breaks 708, look for the $700 put option. All right, let me go ahead and show you guys. All right, take a look at the $700 put option. This one that's sitting at 258. That's going to be crucial for tomorrow. All right, so with a big run up, right, comes the run down. Eventually, it's going to tank, right? It's bound to happen. So I want you guys to prepare for a potential day 2 of this price action. So be prepared. All right, take a look at the $700 put option. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol SMCI. Guys, who would have known not filing your paperwork leads your stock to run up 35% in the past week? Now, I know that's a joke, but ticker symbol SMCI, you can't ignore this, guys. You can't ignore this. Up 76% in the past month, looking like it's about to make its run to $60. So I know some of you guys have made money on SMCI call options. Now, if you're still holding them, let me know down below. I'm going to be very interested to see what you guys have been talking about. I know in the past video, okay, one of you guys commented you made $400 on SMCI call options. Now, family, whatever it is, right? $400, $500, $600. Those are going to be gains that you can compound into more money. So keep making that money, right? Don't be greedy. If you see profit, take profit. Don't look for no 9,000% gain, right? Take those gains because they're going to add up, whether it's 1%, 2%, it doesn't matter, right? The whole goal is to keep on being consistent so you can constantly grow your account even higher to get into or out of the 1 to 100K challenge. And when I mean out of, right, you graduate from that 100K level and then you go on for 7 figures. Okay, that's what I want you guys to do. Okay, that's my goal for you guys, right, to graduate. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol RR. Now, guys, I've been saying to watch this one if this drops to 230. Now, it does have a support at 232. So if this one ends up dropping 7% like it did today, right, around 7 to 10%, I'm going to be looking to buy the dip on this one. This is a robotics company, and Meta has been absolutely telling everyone they need robotics in their system. So RR could be a potential candidate, right? NVIDIA has also shifted out most of its robotic holdings, right? They shifted out SoundHound AI, Servtech Robotics, right? Ticker symbol SERV. So RR could definitely be another potential competitor. So I wouldn't ignore this one. Lastly, we have ticker symbol PLTR, that is Palantir Technology, sitting at 124.69. Guys, let me know down below if you made some money with ticker symbol PLTR and held through all of those drawdowns. Major salute to you all, sitting up 4.58% in the day. Guys, take a look at this. This one got slammed because the market had a little bit of a correction, and when it went negative, it ran all the way back up. Okay, they said no to the bears, guys. The bulls were in control, or are in control right now. Take a look at this, 124. Can we hit 125 tomorrow? Who knows, right? Who knows? But Palantir is absolutely soaring. Everyone's gains are being multiplied constantly every day. Take a look at this, up 6% in the past week, and its market cap is at all-time highs, right? So family, this stock has been a money printer for us. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. I don't want to take too much of your guys' time, so make sure to join the Discord. First thing tomorrow morning, we're gonna get back into the money, so be there for that. It's gonna be the first link in the description. I'm gonna be constantly working on it. We just launched it yesterday. Okay, there's a lot of stuff to improve, so I already know that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, constantly work on the Discord. Guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button, get this video to 1,000 likes, and also hit that subscribe button so we can reach our goal of 15,000 subscribers this week. Once again, guys, make sure you go ahead and trade slow unless we go to all-time highs, make a 1% move in a day on spot, right? Go ahead, slow down your trades. Quality over quantity. Does that make sense? Guys, play slow, okay? I love playing attack, but we gotta go ahead and play defense, all right? Does that make sense, guys? If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Guys, let's go ahead and make this money tomorrow. I'll see y'all later in the Discord and tomorrow in the YouTube video. Peace.